What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. I was going to dive into some other things with the 24 valve Cummins today and checking out some things to try and help turn my heating situation around. Like the blower motor and whatnot, I wanted to pull that out, make sure it was clean and everything was free of obstruction, but I think we're gonna take a different avenue for this video. I kind of want to run over some stuff on lift pumps. The top lift pump providers, as we know today, are most definitely AirDog and Fast. So that is the two top lift pumps that you are going to see on trucks. But I am here to tell you today about a new lift pump that is out or going to be out here very soon. It's actually a pre-order item right now, and they say that it will be available for shipping come mid-October. So that is what I kind of want to talk about today and tell you guys about. Some of you guys probably might already know about this, but for those of you who don't, I think it would be interesting to inform you about it and just kind of give you the rundown of what is already out there about it and give you this information straight from the people who make it. The diesel lift pump that I am talking about right now is called a Predator lift pump, and this lift pump is fully mechanical. How it works is it hooks up onto the engine's damper and it runs off of that with some sprockets, some gears, and some belts, and that is how it works. And basically, the more RPMs that your engine turns, the more fuel volume this lift pump will send. This Predator lift pump is designed and made by Power Driven Diesel, and they do have a video up on their YouTube channel that talks about it and explains it. I will definitely link that in my video description so you can go and hear these facts straight from their mouth. Just in case they don't come out of my mouth 100% accurate, I'm gonna do my best to kind of regurgitate the information that I saw in the video and what they have on their website, and try to just inform you a little bit about it. But I highly encourage you to go to their website and read about these, see what the descriptions say on these lift pumps, and then definitely watch their video so you can get some more knowledge on them, because they do look kind of cool. Now, everybody here knows that I drive a 2001 24 valve Cummins, so I'm basically going to talk about the Predator lift pump for my style truck, and more or less the 12 valve truck also, but they do vary slightly from what I understand. And I'm sure the first question that all of you are going to have is how much? How much is this Predator lift pump? And the price on it is $550. So they come in a little bit cheaper than your Fast or your AirDogs. Depending on what AirDog or Fast you would be looking at, whether it's a 95, 165, 220, whatever it is, these are slightly less expensive, and like I said, they are fully mechanical, not an electronic lift pump. And I guess the thought behind this, being that it's a full mechanical lift pump, would be that it is just more reliable. There's less that can go wrong with it, because as long as your engine is turning, and your engine will be turning as long as it's getting fuel and air, the lift pump will continue to run and supply that fuel. And like I already stated, the higher your RPMs with your engine go, the more fuel this Predator lift pump is capable of pumping out. So now I'm gonna just look on my phone here at Power Driven Diesel's website, and I'm gonna give you some stuff for the 12 valve Predator lift pump and the 24 valve. Basically what both of them come with is the pump, brackets and hardware, a drive hub and sprockets, 2 belts, and a basic plumbing kit, which would be like suction line and fittings, supply line, and fittings to the fuel filter. And remember, all credit for this does go to Power Driven Diesel, because I am just relaying this information directly from them to you. But I was just thinking that it's a new product. It is a pretty awesome idea and design, and I thought that it would be worth sharing with you guys if you haven't already seen it or you don't already know about it. So let's jump into the 12 valve Predator lift pump, and I'll give you some of the main takeaways from the description on Power Driven Diesel's website on that 12 valve pump. Features a 5.8 cc displacement that delivers 187 gallons per hour at 60 psi at 4,000 RPM. It can support a maximum injection rate of 975 cc's, or all 12 millimeter pumps and most 13 millimeter P pumps. These mechanical lift pumps are a vane style lift pump and designed for continuous duty at 4,000 RPM and intermittent duty at 6,000 RPM. And they claim that they have a lifespan of 400,000 miles, which will most likely outlast the rest of your truck. These pumps are fully rebuildable and also feature an internal pressure relief as a safety feature, which can be used to protect the fuel system from destructively high pressures or as the first stage of a two-stage pressure regulation system. And then they state that the standard internal relief valve preset cracks open at 60 psi and is fully opened at 80 psi. I will get some pictures off of Power Driven Diesel's website and include them here in the video so that you can see this pump firsthand and get a look at it while you're watching the video. And then, like I said, I encourage you to go on over to their website, check it out, and see what their description says about it, and also watch their YouTube video on it because they go into some other details about the pump, and they know it best because they make it. Now, the 24 valve Predator lift pump features a 4.3 cc displacement, delivering 117.8 gallons per hour at 20 psi at 3,500 RPM. That supports a maximum injection rate of 700 cc's, which provides double the fuel flow for your typical Hot Rod VP44 injection pump. And for anyone who doesn't know, the Hot Rod VP44 injection pump is a slightly beefed up injection pump that definitely requires an aftermarket lift pump and bigger injectors. The 24 valve version still has that same internal pressure relief for a safety feature, and on the 24 valve that relief is set to work with the overflow valve to maintain fuel pressure between 12 and 20 psi. One thing that they did say in their YouTube video, and you'll see this if you watch that video, is that the other lift pump manufacturers don't really have flow charts out there to show exactly what their pumps are capable of flowing, but that Power Driven Diesel has done extensive testing on their products, as AirDog and Fast have done with theirs as well. But Power Driven Diesel, the difference being is that they are willing and ready to provide flow charts, and they are going to do a lift pump showdown where they run their mechanical Predator lift pump with the other probably top name lift pumps, the electronic lift pumps, and do comparisons of them to see exactly how much each one of them flows. And they're going to put that information out there just to show how good their mechanical lift pump really is. So I am actually kind of excited to see that and see how well it does compared to like the Fast that's on my truck, or the AirDog or Fast that could be on your truck. And if those numbers are good, then it might be worth thinking of swapping over to something like that, because a mechanical design is just far more simple and can have far less things to go wrong with it. Be way easier to troubleshoot and repair and fix if something did go wrong with it. So like I've said a handful of times already, guys, go over to Power Driven Diesel's YouTube page, watch their video on these Predator lift pumps, check out their website for the descriptions on them, or if you want to pre-order one, they said that they will be available for shipping come mid-October. So if you don't have a lift pump on your truck already and you're looking to get one, I think this might be something you'd be interested in, because like I said, just far more simple, easier to troubleshoot. Looks like it's very easy to install, probably a little easier than installing your electronic lift pump like a Fast or an AirDog, whatever, Raptor pump, because it does just run right off the engine damper on the front of your truck. Although for guys like me who have the Fleece Performance barring tool mounted to the front of my fluid damper, I don't think the Predator lift pump would be able to work hand in hand with that. I'd probably have to remove the Fleece Performance barring tool and then mount the Predator lift pump where the fleece barring tool is in order for the Predator lift pump to work and be able to be on my truck. That is going to do it for this video though. I just wanted to bring that to all of your attention in case you guys don't follow the Diesel Shop's YouTube pages or you haven't heard about this or seen it yet. I just wanted you guys to know about it, hear a little bit about it from me, and then try to point you in the direction of their YouTube page and website to go and check it out and get more information on it. So definitely go and do that as soon as you click off of this video. But before you click off this video, hit that thumbs up button for me, and then if you're stopping in for the first time, you might as well hit that subscribe button too, bro. Join the family, make it stronger, and I will see you tomorrow with another new video. Peace.